Again, I want to congratulate the CloudBlocks development team. So let's kind of give them a big hand. Thank you, guys. So, Val, thank you for a really good overview of everything in Cloud Native. And I was just walking around earlier and people said, wow, there's so much new technology. And I want to thank people, the geeks, that really wanted to not just build technologies, but put it to use. So I get to do the easy part at the very end of this. First of all, I had a video that talked about all the buzzwords. But what I wanted to do at this part is to prove to you that all these efforts and all the work and all the building blocks that's brought to us by foundations like Linux Foundation and the Cloud Native Foundation can actually be turned into product. And before it becomes a tool for innovation and disruption of large enterprise against startups, I wanted to also show to you that we can put them all together and become itself a disruption mechanism to existing software companies or products. So let me introduce CloudBlocks. We've labeled this as an infrastructure for innovation. We thought of CloudBlocks as a first step for the enterprise to start becoming nimble again. And I really love Ron's quote earlier, that cloud is actually an equalizer for the large companies to compete with the little guys that have been more agile. So let me introduce to you CloudBlocks. First of all, I cannot say this enough. It's globally designed, it's Filipino engineered, and it's targeted to the ASEAN market. We're very unique. ASEAN itself is a very unique region. We're proud to be in this region. We're one of the fastest regions in the world. So we have unique needs, right? We want to spend our capital on working capital, not on capex for equipment. And so we want to maximize our use of technology. So with that, Amihan and our partners are putting together all the most interesting and exciting and innovative component, starting with the very foundation of it, the most dense, best-in-class hardware technology from NEC Corporation. Thank you, guys. It's called the Mercury BX 2000. Each one of this machine in 3U form factor has 34 servers inside it. It has an aggregate storage of 34 terabytes, and it's got an aggregate memory of over 50 gigabytes. So it's very, very powerful technology. So foundationally, you start with this, and you combine that with technology from the Cloud Native Foundation, Kubernetes. Initially started by Google, then donated to the Cloud Native Foundation, and still being used by Google. So this is really important. When a big company donates a technology to a foundation, you have to make sure that they haven't stopped using it. So Kubernetes still powers the Google Cloud today. And what Google has done is actually share this technology via open source, shepherded by the foundation, so that we can also use Kubernetes. And I'll show you what we can do with this in partnership with Google. We've also used technology, another open source technology that's now owned by Red Hat called Ceph for storage. And in the Philippines, we need secure storage even where we're going in our data privacy requirements. And combining it with a technology that I still love for a little bit more, called OpenStack. And this is essentially virtualization technology where all our older servers or Windows servers will live. And then finally, connecting all the dots between the hardware, the software that manages it all, with the storage, and then a cloud provider into Google Cloud. Essentially, what we can do is create a unified platform for the enterprise so that everything they need to do to be agile, to be innovative, all the aspects that are non-value add to spend time with your asset and technologies is put together in one unified plumbing that's available to everyone. So I'm not going to talk about the technologies. Val has done a good job talking about all the ingredients. I don't want to give you a demo because it's best to see it in action. Please have an opportunity to take a look at the booth. But I want you to see not just the features of the technology, but the quality by which these technologies have been built. Because another major disruption is cultural, right? This technology is built in the Philippines, and we wanted to show that around the world we can compete with the same quality of product. And finally, we wanted to make sure that this technology is available to everyone. And we wanted to double check whether this technology can actually compete with what's out there. So we built CloudBlocks Express, and it's intended for everybody to get started with containers and federation. It's a first complete hybrid cloud offering in the world. It combines Amihan's technology, NEC's hardware, PLDT's network, and the Google Cloud to create the first complete hybrid cloud solution offering. And it's available in a financial metric that we can all be proud about. It's built using Open Compute, and it's delivered in an all-in-one solution. And then to prove to you that innovation is not just capability, it's also economics, this all-in-one solution provides capability for you to have an on-prem and a cloud platform at the same time, a technology that can be delivered in any development environment through a network by PLDT. And it's a technology that if you compare with Amazon Cloud, it's actually cheaper. So I invite you all to play with this technology, check it out, it's in our booths. The team have worked really hard to deliver this in real time. And again, I welcome you all to Cloud Native. Thank you for coming. We're going to have the Rio brothers play more music, and I hope that you have a little bit more time to also check out all the technologies in action for the rest of the day. Thank you very much.